Welcome to JavaScript School. Today we're going to learn how to use the basics of the Create React app NPM package. So let's get started. First you'll want to open up, I suggest opening up Visual Studio Code. And inside of Visual Studio Code there's what's called an integrated terminal. So what you want to do is click on View and choose Terminal. And you'll get a command prompt or terminal down here in the bottom. And first of all, I'm going to check which directory I'm in. I like to create my projects under a projects folder and documents. So I'll go here. And from here, you could install Create React app onto your system globally to use the program using npm I create react app. And once that's done, you can go ahead and run Create React app. But rather than installing it on the machine today, I'm going to run npx create react app, and then I'm going to name my app here. So we'll just call it my app. So after you hit enter, it'll go ahead and install the basics of a Create React app or React application. We'll get going with that. So that's just about complete. Okay, that took just a few minutes to install, so it'll probably take you 2 or 3 minutes to let that install. And after that is complete, we can see that we have a new folder that's created. We switch into that folder. Let's take a look at that. That's what files we'll have. I'm going to go ahead and clear this screen. I'm going to go ahead and open that folder in Visual Studio Code by clicking on File, Open. And in my case, I'm going to navigate to Documents, Projects, and open up my app. And so what Create React app does is set the framework for a basic React application. And so over here, you can see the files that are here. It creates a package.json file with some basic dependencies, some basic scripts. And if you know anything about React, you can type npm. You can type npm start, and you can get this to start. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to open our integrated terminal again. So if you click View Terminal, let's make sure we're in the right folder here, and we are. So we'll do npm start. And that starts the basic Create React app program, and then it launches your browser. And close this one out here, and opens it on localhost port 3000. Give that just a minute to start. And you can see how it's starting the development server. And now that it's started here, this is your basic app. So you can just, it says go to edit src app.js to start editing your React program. So if we go to src and click on app.js, and this is the basic starting point for your React application. So that's all this video is going to show, just how to use Create React app just to start a very basic React program without having to build it from scratch. So I hope I earned your thumbs up on this video, and if you can please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I would appreciate it. And until next time.